We want to simplify the following fractions. The first one here is purely numeric. This is so that we can explain the methodology again before we move on to algebraic fractions. If we have 12 over 20, 12 is 4 times 3, and 20 is 4 times 5. Clearly the 4's here will cancel, leaving us with 3/5. This is a fully simplified fraction. So let's now consider 3x over 27. 3x means 3 times x. 27 can be written as 3 times 9. The 3's cancel, leaving us with x over 9. We now have 2x squared over 8x. 2x squared is 2 times x times x. 8x squared could be written as 2 times 4 times x. We can see here that an x cancels and a 2 cancels, leaving us with x over 4. Let's consider a second approach with this one. This can sometimes save time. We have numbers and x's. 2 goes into 2 once and into 8 4 times. X goes into x once, and x into x squared is just x. So we're left with x over 4. We now have 9a squared b over 3ab squared. We could write this as 3 times 3 times a squared times b divided by 3 times a times b squared. 3 cancels with 3. A goes into a once and into a squared a times. B goes into b once and into b squared b times. So let's look at what we have left. On the top we have 3 times a, which is 3a. On the bottom we just have b.